In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a WordPress website on Hostgator. Whether you're building a personal blog or a professional site, getting your website online can seem challenging. However, Hostgator provides a user-friendly platform that makes this process a breeze. Follow along closely, and soon enough your WordPress site will be live and accessible to the world. First, we start by heading over to the Hostgator website. It's known for being one of the best and most reliable hosting services available, perfect for all your web hosting needs. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the sign in button. Click this to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to set one up and it's an essential step for getting your site online. Now that you're signed in, let's make a move to the Hostgator homepage. This page is essentially your base camp, and from here we can manage your hosting services. Next, we'll click on the website section where all the magic happens. This part of the process allows you to manage all your active websites or set up new ones, which is precisely what we're here to do today. Moving forward, click on the settings option. This is where you'll find all the configurations and details you'll need to fine-tune your hosting experience with Hostgator. From there, direct yourself to the advanced section. It's another critical area where additional features and customization options are available, allowing you to get more granular with how your site is set up. Now let's dive deeper into the advanced settings by clicking on cPanel. For many webmasters, cPanel is the go-to tool for managing your web hosting account. It provides access to a variety of functionalities tailored to help you run your website efficiently. In cPanel, you'll see an option named File Manager. This is your hub for organizing and managing all the files that make up your website. Click on this option. It's going to be pivotal in getting your WordPress site onto the Hostgator server. Once inside the file manager, look for the upload button. The upload process is crucial as it allows you to bring all necessary WordPress files from your computer to the server. Follow the prompts to select and upload your WordPress files. And there you have it. With these files properly uploaded, your WordPress website is now hosted on Hostgator. Overall, hosting a WordPress website on Hostgator is straightforward and quick if you follow these steps carefully. It might seem daunting at first, but the convenience and support that Hostgator offers make it well worth your time. Congratulations on getting your site online, and enjoy sharing your content with the world. If you have any questions or face any issues, Hostgator's support team is always ready to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.